Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The base dimension is 105/75, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extrude, select front plane, select line, so give the dimensions 105, this is 55 plus 15, twelve mm, 15 mm, 55 plus 15, 105. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane 75 mm. Select fillet 37.5. Select the edge. Select the surface, sketch, select circle, create one circle, select line, give the dimensions. Height is 32 mm or 15 and length is 50 mm. So here to here 50 mm, this is 32, 15, 30. Here to here 25. Select trim entities, trim the above part. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, we want 45 mm. Okay. Next one rib 12 mm thickness. Select the surface, sketch, select line, finish sketch, select rib. So here reverse the direction, so we want only one side, thickness is 12 mm. Apply. So one more slat is here, that is thickness is 15 mm, length is 20 mm. For that, select the surface sketch, select here slat, give the dimension 15, here to here 25, or we can give like this. So length, select this midpoint, select origin point, give a horizontal constraint. So give length 50, select this midpoint and this point, give vertical constraint. So sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here we can give through hole. Okay. So now we can compare, all the features are added. Anything is missing, let me know in the comment please friends. So we can assign the material here, select metal. In the metal we can go with any one of this based on your application. So and also we can edit appearances. So which color you want, you can assign here. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video friends.